Hello everybody and welcome back to Cat's Coils. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I install my Loc Sprinkles or Loc beads. I also will be giving you an honest review on them. I've been wearing my Loc Sprinkles for a little bit over a month now, so I've been wearing them long enough to develop a few opinions on them and to kind of just give you guys my honest view on whether as a micro locker, whether I should be wearing Loc Sprinkles or whether I feel like they're safe for Microlocs. If you are interested in hearing my honest opinion on Loc Sprinkles, or if you would like to just see how to install them, continue watching. As mentioned before, I've been wearing my Loc Sprinkles for over a month now. And when I saw a few other Microlockers wearing their Loc Sprinkles, it really got me interested in how to install them, and I really wanted to see how they looked on my hair. I've been wearing different types of lock jewelry for a long time. Ever since I've started my locks journey, actually, I've been trying a lot of different things on my locks just to kind of see how to dress my locks up a little bit. I noticed with a lot of other types of lock jewelry, my hair would be getting stuck on the jewelry. They would be kind of connecting with a neighboring lock. I would hit snags with the lock jewelry and things like that. So those are some things that I really did not like about lock jewelry. Since I found out about Loc Sprinkles, it got me excited because I automatically knew that I would not be running into some of those other issues that I ran into with lock jewelry. My only concern was some people installed their Loc Sprinkles with string, like they would tie the Loc Sprinkles onto their locks with thread. And I was concerned with that method because I just did not want to get thread tangled up into my lock. I saw one Microloc sister install her Loc Sprinkles in a unique way, and it got me excited because I knew that the installation would be less harmful. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I install my Loc Sprinkles. So before I start, I want to show you guys how I store my Loc Sprinkles because I have a few colors and I don't want them getting all mixed up together. And so this is how I store my Loc Sprinkles in a little baggie. And I got the materials from Hobby Lobby. So I just would take the little bottle here. And again, I got this bottle from Hobby Lobby. I have gold, I have clear, and I also have turquoise. These are the three colors that I enjoy wearing at the moment. These colors are really like my favorite colors, so I love just wearing them in my hair. Now I'm gonna show you the tool that I use to install my Loc Sprinkles. And again, this tool can be found at Hobby Lobby or craft stores. Now, this is a very small tool, so you're gonna have to get really close and see. All right, so this tool here, and actually you can see it better without my hand, but this tool here is a very thin tool, and as you can see, it closes on either end and it opens in the middle. So this is what allows me to be able to get the very small bead onto my lock. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab a couple beads. So I'm gonna start with gold. I'm gonna take a few gold beads, 2 turquoise beads. You only need 3 gold, 3 turquoise, and 3 clear. I have my beads. I wanna find a nice size micro lock. So one that's not too big, one that's not too small. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. All right, so I'm gonna take the tool here, make sure that it's open. And I'm just gonna feed the lock through the tool, just the tip of the lock. Once the lock is resting in the tool, then I'm gonna take one of my beads and I'm gonna start with my turquoise bead. And I'm just gonna feed that tool through the bead. Okay, so as you guys can see, the bead is on the tool. And all you need to do now is just slide the bead up onto your hair. Do it very nice and gentle. And as you can see, the tip of my lock is secure, healthy, looking good. I'm gonna try a clear one this time. Okay, I have the clear bead, feeding it through and gently pulling. Okay, and let's do a gold one. Pulling it through, nice and gentle. And then you want to make sure that the end of your lock isn't stuck inside the bead. So you want to just tug on that gently. And then you want to open up the tool and just bring it down, letting out your hair. Okay, so now as you guys can see, the beads are on my lock. If I tug gently, it's not going anywhere. You kind of just have to pull like that to take it off, which is a really easy uninstall. So that is the Loc Sprinkle. Okay, so installing the Loc Sprinkles this way is actually really, really nice. I really enjoy how they look on my hair. It just gives your hair a nice little sparkle. And I like to pinch where the hair and the tool meet so that I'm not pulling on my hair and I'm not pulling on the tool. Because if you pull hard on the tool, it might snap because it's such a thin tool. If you've been following my DIY Microlocs journey since the beginning, then you know I've been trying a lot of things on my locks, not just jewelry, but I've been trying hair paint wax, I've been trying the gold string, I've tried jewelry, like the gold lock jewelry that like hangs down, the little rings, and they're not necessarily made for locks, but I've been trying the rings. I've tried so many different things, and I've been using Loc Sprinkles for the longest period of time because they are the least harmful to my hair. When it's time for my interlocking session, I don't have to worry about the Loc Sprinkles just being stuck in my hair. I can go ahead and slide the Loc Sprinkle out, interlock my hair, and just string the Loc Sprinkles back onto my hair easily, just like that, without having to worry about, hey, I have to interlock my hair with this jewelry in my hair. There are a lot of pros to having Loc Sprinkles, but there are a few cons. So I do want to talk about the fact that when you do wear Loc Sprinkles for a long time, you might come across an issue where in that one spot where the Loc Sprinkles were, you might notice that the hair is like tightened or shrunk in that one little spot. So what I mean by that, and I'm gonna show you guys, is I'm gonna try to find a Loc Sprinkle that is older. I think, yeah, this is an older one. So if I pull the Loc Sprinkle down, you'll notice that in this spot where it's been sitting, my lock has like tightened or gotten more compact in this area right here. Okay, so I don't know, because I haven't tried this yet, but I don't know if the lock has thinned out in that area or if it's just compact and if water can just like allow it to swell back up again. But you know, it's only like in that one little spot on like maybe 5 or 6 locks. And so I'm monitoring those areas. And the next time I wash my hair, I'm going to take the Loc Sprinkle out in that area, and I'm gonna just see if, you know, my hair is permanently thinner in that area or if it just kind of swells back up to its normal size. If you are interested in trying Loc Sprinkles, I would highly suggest to try them because they are super, super cool. Okay, so that is all I have for today's video. I just wanted to give my honest opinion on Loc Sprinkles, and I wanted to show you guys how to install them. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it provided you with some value, and until next time, thank you for watching.